Lecture series number 2, letters. Letters comprise... don't interrupt. Letters comprise the alphabet. There are 26 individual letters in the alphabet.
Excuse me,
yes.
What'd you say?
Letters make up or comprise the alphabet.
What?
Look at the alphabet, the complete alphabet, is comprised of 26 individual letters. Do you understand?
Yes.
26 individual letters. The letter N is just one letter in the alphabet.
Okay.
The letter O is just one letter in the alphabet.
I feel this really good.
Stop it.